Are you looking for the best investments during a recession? Well, keep watching to discover which investments can really help you protect and grow your wealth when, times get rough. So this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So I'm going to tell you something. Recessions can be tough for many investors, but with the right investments, it can really help you weather the storm. So in this video, I'm going to share 5 investment options that have traditionally performed well during economic downturns. So, these can offer both stability and potential growth when the economy is struggling. Okay? So here are the best investments during the recession. The first one is gold. Gold has always been seen as a safe haven, offering rising in value when the economy is in trouble. The second one is dividend stocks. Now, companies that pay regular dividends, like Procter Gamble or Coca-Cola, they provide steady income even during tough times. The third one is treasury bonds. Now, the U.S. government bonds are low risk. It's a low risk investment that provides stability and security during economic uncertainty. The fourth one is consumer staples. Now, stocks and companies that produce everyday items like food and cleaning products, they're often more stable during recessions. The fifth one is real estate investment trusts. So basically they offer regular income through property investments, even in a slow economy. Okay, so while a recession can be uncertain, the right investments can really still help you stay ahead. So, go with the one that you want the most. Act early, make sure that your investments are recession proof. And if you like these picks, leave me a like. I love ya.